Finding guidelines to use OnlyFun? Look no further cause we are here to help. This is your ultimate how to use video for OnlyFun. Brought to you by Polkadot Insider. Let's begin. First thing first, you need to connect to your D app. Step 1. Access to OnlyFun website. Step 2. Connect the wallet at the upper right corner of the app. You can choose between Polkadot.js, Subwallet, and Talisman. This platform will automatically create and connect with the wallet you use for connections that do not use Polkadot.js. Now let's get to the main part, how to use OnlyFun. Step 1. On the front page of the OnlyFun page, you can see plenty of tokens to play your DJ on Polkadot. Step 2. Users can check out the tokens by pressing the terminal button or checking out the latest actions of multiple wallets on the top bar line of the D app. Step 3. For the information on the tokens, you can click on the tokens and the information related to the tokens, including market cap, price chart, name, tickers, descriptions, and on-chain data of these tokens. Step 4. If you want to place an order, you can find it easily right under the price chart. Be aware that you can only order the amount of tokens for both buy and sell orders. Step 5. You can also check out the trading history by clicking on the Trades button. Now let's check out your portfolio and create your own tokens. To check your portfolio, click Holdings to check your own tokens. To create your own tokens, click Create Coin and then fill in the blank with the information including name, symbol, description, image, and social links of the tokens. After filling in the needed information, click Create Coin and accept the confirmation on your wallet. There will be a small fee of 0.5 DOT for creating the token. And that is everything you need to know. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next how to use video.